Guys, welcome to YouTube channel DSS Gamer 1. Today we will play Speed Car Stunt through Parmula Car Stunt game. Let's start mode 2, level first. Okay, this one is play. My car is here. Wow, that's nice car. Nice. That's amazing.
Three, two, one, go!
Oh, nice road. Very slowly. This road. Oh, I think it's tunnel, guys. Yeah, it's tunnel. Nicely taken. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. It's okay. Turn. Come on, guys. Turn. Yeah. Side. Amazing gameplay. Again, let's go again. Go back, man. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. So we met again for more exciting gameplays like car games, bus driving games, car parking, and many other games. Thank you so much.